Hi, yeah. Good evening, good day, good morning, good afternoon, good night, depending on your country. Trust me, I received call this hour and someone was like, "Good morning." I'm like, that must be different time zone. And yes, it was. How are we all doing? How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? Thank you for joining me tonight. Today I want to talk to that person that wants more, who wants more, who is hungry for more. Let me get my music. If I don't put music in the background, they're like, "Where is the music?" So I'm gonna put the music. Sorry, I'm just using the funny accent. Come back to my Niger level, Jerry. Okay, let's get some music in the background. Hi, let me know who's watching, where you're watching from. How are we doing, darling? How are you, ma'am? God bless you. God bless you. Today I want to talk about who wants more, who wants more. Because to be honest with you, not everybody wants more. And today is Friday. I will be giving away shakes to one person. I will be doing it live while we are watching this. If you can share my video and type share, you might be the one to win let me on the lights, to win the bag of shake. It will be posted to you. Here's a season to be given. Since we're in the season of giving, I will be giving one bag of shakes, vanilla or chocolate flavor. So share the video. Share. You either have this flavor all sealed and posted to you, or which flavor again? So if you want to win it, share the video. I'm trying to get the chocolate flavor. Can't even seem to wish it. Okay. Here it is. I love this during the winter because this one you can make it as hot chocolate. So that lucky winner will be choosing one flavor, either the chocolate or the vanilla. So who wants more? Share the video, share the video. Let's sit down and have a shot, okay? So tonight is about those who want more in life, because not everybody wants more. Some people, they are okay being in the average. Some people are hungry for more. I was hungry for more. I was fed up of living on benefits. I was fed up of being broke. I was fed up of being that mom that always said to the child, "Sorry, we can't afford it." I was fed up of that lifestyle. I wanted more. I wanted to be able to give myself the freedom, financial freedom, walk around my children without leaving my home. I wanted more in life. So year 2020 is coming. If you want more, you want to succeed, you want to excel, you want to break the norm, break out of the norm. What is the norm? The norm is 9 to 5. The norm is working, selling your time for money. That is the norm. It's okay to work, don't get me wrong, but it is better when you also create a side hustle on the side. Don't you think so? Somebody posted a post, which I actually post the post myself as well. I copied and post. It says, if you put in on your Facebook status that you've gotten a job, you get so many, maybe 200 likes. If you put on your Facebook, "Oh, I just started my own business," you will get 4 or 5 likes. Why is that? Because the norm is this: you must work for somebody. The norm is this: you won't make it being your home boss. But let me tell you something: people who have the boldness to break out of that norm, today they are 6-figure earners. When I mean 6-figure, which means they are earning 100,000 and above. So if you want more for year 2020, you want to create that life whereby you are able to aim and be able to control your time. You're able to work from anywhere and everywhere. You're able to control when you have a break. Like now it's Christmas season. You don't have to be waiting for somebody to give you the yes or no answer. Like, no, you can't go on Christmas holiday. Yes, you can. You want to break out of the norm and be able to be in charge of your year 2020. Sweetie, I'm looking for you. Year 2020, we want to break out of the norm. We want to break out of that place of living on bills, just living to pay bills. We want to break out of the norm. Are you ready for year 2020? Have you sat down and said, "You know what? It is time I overcome my fear and start my own business"? Are you ready to say, "You know what? Year 2020, I am in charge with the grace of God. Year 2020, I'm going to reach my full potentials. I don't want to limit myself anymore." You want to break out of that place whereby you don't tell yourself no anymore. Most times we tell ourselves no even before we start. When an opportunity is presented to us, we just say to ourselves, "Oh, no. No, we can't do it. No, I can't do it." You've not even tried it. You've written yourself out of it. Sweetie, This is a business that you can do around your children. It's a business whereby you are in charge. You only invest £50. Right now, we just opened in Romania. The business have a branch in Poland. We have a branch in America, in Canada, in Australia, in New Zealand, in Belgium. In any part of the Europe, we are there. We are there. We are just entering into Mexico 2020. And you know the amazing thing about it, it's a pocket business whereby wherever you go in the world, you are able to do the business. Even if you are sleeping in your bathroom, in your kitchen, wherever you are, you are able to do the business. You are able to walk around your children. You are able to do it in your own time and time. Sweetie, life doesn't wait for people to make it happen. Life happens to those that goes for it. You have to go for it. Then you will be amazed. It's like, wow, I never knew I could do this business. I never knew I could work from home because I've tried different business and I failed woefully in all of them. I have tried to sell different things. I couldn't do it because I'm not a salesperson. I discover I'm not a salesperson. But when it comes to motivating people, I discover I am. I'm able to do that effortlessly. So because of that, I was able to do this business because I'm not selling to you. I'm only motivating your full potential out of you, helping men and women to lose weight, inspiring them to live healthy. That is all I do. I use the product, share my story. You use the product, you share your story. You register with just £50 or $50 or €60, depending on your country and the currency you use. And at the end of the day, when you start promoting the product, people will see your results. If it is the health benefits of the capsules, like I've shared my health benefit 1,001 times. I've shared how I used to be severely anemic, but not anymore. I used to have every bleeding that goes for 10 days, goes on. Not anymore. How I used to do so many other things, but not anymore. My health has improved. Bleeding gum. All those things I used to go through, not anymore. Why? Because I motivated myself to start living a healthy lifestyle and to start this business. I registered with just £50 2016. And my first month, I got double that amount. So a business that in your first month, you start getting returns. Isn't it amazing? In your very first month, you start getting returns. Isn't it amazing? Because there are so many businesses, but there are so many businesses that gives you nothing in return. So what if you start a business that in your first month, you make at least, you register with £50 and you make 100 and something pounds in your first month. Some people make £400 or £500 in their first month and they did not leave their house. It did not affect their job. They do it around their children. You're able to watch your children grow. You are able to do the things you love with your children. Take them out in summertime. Take them to the park. Travel the world. Go on holiday. Imagine, just close your eyes and imagine what time freedom can do for you and your family year 2020. Sweetie, the power to change your tomorrow is in your hands. The power to make your dreams come true is in your hands. Only you can do it by saying yes to an opportunity. Register with £50, get your website, get your online office, begin to promote healthy lifestyle, get paid doing it, get paid living healthy, get paid inspiring men and women to make a difference. Teach people how to make money and watch your bank accounts difference. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, those who share this video, one person is going to win a bag of shakes. So right now while I'm on live, none of you have shared. So maybe after, if you shared, I'll call the person privately and send them the bag of shakes. Because if you shared it while I'm on live, I would have congratulated you and sent it straight to you. But since you didn't share it, it's okay. You're not getting the shake so far. But if you want it, share the video. Tag a friend that need money. Tag a friend that is tired of being broke. Tag a friend that always live on the edge. Tag that friend that is always crying for money. Tag that friend that you know that they are hungry for success. They want success. Tag that friend this video, because you know what? You might just change a generation. Because if I didn't come across this business on social media just the way you are watching me, 2016, only God knows where I would have been. But 2016, as you are watching me, so also I saw the post on Facebook and I joined. So if you want to win the bag of shakes, this one, for free, I'm posting it to you for free. Share this video. share on your Facebook page, share on your timeline, and I will post the winner on my Facebook timeline. Okay, I'm doing this within the weekend before Christmas. Somebody's winning this. One person will win it. Don't worry. So you can choose not to share it. It's not a problem. But those who share, one lucky winner will win the bag of shake. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you're hungry for more, I would love to hear from you. God bless you. Bye-bye for now. Ciao.